Welcome to Mystic Chambers Week 5 updates, 11 more weeks to go. Michael added distance-based reverb. He also added pan distance proximity and then the audio propagation. Now it works with one waypoint, and there's the reverb with audio propagation. And he also did some revisions, and he is still doing more experiments. The distance-based reverb seems like an awesome thing because I believe it will really add more depth to the game. Next is Krister. Krister did some more null checks in the code in order to find more errors, and he made ton of art, as you can see on the top right. To steel, tech, carbon, marble, tan, obsidian, rock, sandstone, each with their own variants. Now I think that we have enough walls for the entire game, and this is really awesome. Then there are a lot of changes like improved floor and ceiling art. As you can see on the top right, there was the pipes art as well with the floor. Now the floor art is a little bigger, using the same Krister's concrete art, but with variances, little cracks and a little bit of dirt to add more feeling to the floor. I also tried experimenting with ceiling layers, basically the same 2.5D like feel where a layer goes slower and another goes faster, but it causes more black bars in the rendering. Now there is a revolver and Winchester reload animations, which is work in progress. There is the editor mood keys ZXCV so that you can change the moods easily and work faster. The biggest thing is that the level editor now supports wall sector editing. Right now it supports wall sectors. Now you can save load the entire levels, not just walls. Gravestone and fire TT is added, as you can see in the top right. There are the two varieties of the fire, the mystic and cold. And then I have added a level to show you in this update. Let us enter the Mystic Chambers. Here you can see the previous level. Now I click the next level. This is the level that I made on the level editor and not coded it. These are Krister walls, and there's the fire. All of these are Krister's wall. There is the gravestone entity. This is the cold fire. And there is this entity 360 0-degree bug still there, which is yet to solve, yet to fix it. As you can see, there are still some rendering bugs, but I will find them and see if I can fix them. This is Mystic Fire. All the walls that you are seeing are made by Krister. So yeah, this is looking really good. It now feels like a game. So now I pick the gun. Now I reload it, and there is the animation. It's very rudimentary, and I would highly appreciate if someone makes these reload animation better. Revolver. Yeah, there is the reload animation for the revolver. So now I'm going to show you how to make a quick level in this editor. First of all, you will delete all the things. So you go to edit and you just delete all the walls, all the areas, all the decorations, delete all the items, all the enemies, and press fix all. First you have to make the wall sector, right? That's what we are going to do. I press the C button to have the add mode, and now I click drag the wall sector. This is the wall sector, and the active wall sector is indicated by the red boxes. Then add other walls. Yes. Walls for the other side. There it is. Now I have left a gap for the wall sector, and before adding the wall sector you need to move to the other side, and now I can add the wall sector. Basically, when I add another wall sector, it will get the data of the current active sector side and then stores it in the sector that we made. It will store all the walls and the current sector that is active, which is really important, otherwise it won't work. Yep, there it is. Now you are still editing the active sector. You have to move across that new sector so that you can edit that sector instead of whatever is current. You move over this sector, and now this is active, and now you can edit it. Now you can see whether all active sectors are working or not. Yeah, it is working. Now it is time to add entities, and you can add entities from anywhere. It doesn't have to do anything with sectors. It is only the concern for when you are editing walls. Remember to change the mood to move, not to add. Now the level is complete, except that you have to click one button to make sure that it will work perfect, and that is fix all. And it's also better if you click the snap of in the walls, and now you can save the level. There is a level that we made. Yeah, it's exactly what how I clicked stuff and did it. Yeah, the entities are also going back. Everything is finally working. Right now there are some limitations. For instance, you can't have 3 sector walls in one, in a group of convex walls, and if you do some mistake, you can't really edit it and fix it, because right now you can't really set which walls to go in and out of the sector, which is something to be added. Next week we have enemy interaction, improved enemy, key door system, bullet setup, improved revolver and Winchester reload animation, and then there is the water dripping from roof, basically pipes animation, and walk sound, item pickup sound, player hurt sound, fire sound. I believe that Van will add these sounds soon because he said so. Then there is the improved wall decal and main menu UI. You can clearly see that most of the next week stuff is actually from the previous week update, because I was stuck with some bugs in the save load and fixing some rendering issues with these sectors when I edit the level. But the good thing is we have a lot of weeks and there is a lot of buffers. Thanks to all who contributed in Mystic Chambers. How was my week? My week was a bit rough in terms of coding. I was stuck with a few bugs and really couldn't understand them, but yeah, I was able to fix them in the end, so that's a good thing. It was a normal week, really. Yeah, that's it.